Hey everyone, this is Hashem. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make Labneh. If you're not familiar with what that is, it's basically like a thickened or strained yogurt, kind of like a cream cheese. It's delicious. I grew up eating it, especially with Lebanese breakfasts. And as you guess from the title, that's basically just to use a coffee strainer like a V60. It doesn't have to be a V60 per se, but these are one of the more common ones. It's what I use. And it's just something I discovered while my mom was over. We were talking about making some. And if you've never tried this stuff before, this might be a way to try it out with a quick and easy method if you already have one of these. And again, you can use a Chemex or anything that's kind of like a cone-shaped coffee filter, whether it uses paper or a steel filter maybe. I'm not sure if that would work as well. But the method I used is with paper. Now I like to just quickly rinse the paper off first, just in case there's any papery taste. So choose whatever size V60 you're using and just pour some water over the paper filter just to get rid of any papery taste. Warm water might work better, but I'm just doing this quickly for the sake of demonstration. Now, when it comes to the yogurt that you use, that's really up to you. I think that Greek yogurt generally works the best. I've also used it with natural yogurt, that works fine. But one of my favorite brands of Greek yogurt is actually just the plain old Woolworths one, which is, if you're in Australia, you know what that is. But I find it actually tastes better than some of the name brand ones, and it's cheaper too, which is a bonus. And yeah, once you've rinsed off the paper filter, get the yogurt, just spoon it into the cone, which I'll be showing you in some better close-up footage from a previous time I made it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Put something over it, chuck it in the fridge overnight, and the next morning you'll find it's all strained down into the glass below. You can chuck that out and enjoy the Labneh, which is gonna be like a cream cheese consistency almost. And it goes with a lot, especially bread and tomatoes, cucumbers, olives, whatever you like, really. You can have it with za'atar. Get creative. Let me know what you tried it with and if you enjoyed it. Now, the more traditional way of making this would be to use something like a cheesecloth or some kind of like straining cloth material where you spoon it in and tie it up, maybe hang it over the sink or put it in another straining type receptacle, which is great if you want to make a larger batch. But if you're like me, you just want to make a small batch or experiment with this stuff, try this out, especially if you already have a V60 or similar coffee dripper. If you don't have one, these are super cheap, as well as the papers, and it just makes it really convenient. Maybe you can even think about getting one just for the purpose of making this, but probably be better if you use it to make some coffee as well. And if you don't already know, I do make a lot of coffee, which is the reason I have a couple of different ones of these. I've shared some coffee content on the channel, and I will be doing more so going forward. So I hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, when I put out the first video on this channel, I said I'll share anything and anything that I'm interested in. I wasn't expecting to make this one, but I just thought it was a pretty handy little method. I'm sure I'm not the first one to think of it, but I couldn't find any other videos on YouTube sharing this method, so I hope it helped at least a couple of people. If you tried this out and you liked it, let me know. If you tried out Labneh for the first time, tell me what you had it with, if you enjoyed it. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.